Hi, today I'm making khawsa on demand. Add gram flour 2.5 tablespoons, yogurt 1 cup, turmeric powder 2 teaspoons, salt 1 teaspoon, coconut powder or grated 2 tablespoons. Water 2 cups in a blender and blend the mixture. Cook on low flame until it's thick and cooked. In another pan, add oil 1/2 cup. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons, chicken 400 grams, tomatoes to chop, fried onions 1/2 cup, salt 1/2 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, cumin powder 1 tablespoon, Chaat masala 1 tablespoon and water 1 cup. Cook for serving, boil some spaghetti. Put on a plate, then gram flour curry you made, chicken curry, top with chips, fried onions or any snacks or garnish you like. Enjoy and subscribe for more new recipes.